Hello everyone and welcome to Stark Naked Kitchen. I'm Coach Madison and today I'm going to teach you how to make classic beef stew. It's going to be about 10 minutes of prep and then 20 minutes of cooking. The nice part about grass-fed beef is that it's high in zinc, which also helps with immune support. Let's get started. All right, let's talk about ingredients. To start, we have 1.5 pounds of grass-fed strip loin steak, 4 medium potatoes, 2 celery stalks, 1 small bunch of green onions, 4 medium carrots, 4 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 cup of any 1-to-1 gluten-free baking flour, which is our preference, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 16 fluid ounces of vegetable broth, and 4 gluten-free buns. I've combined the salt and pepper with the flour, which I'm going to stir in to the beef in the medium bowl, and then we're going to stir to coat. Just like that. And we'll go ahead and stir that all together, coat that beef nicely. All right, so I've added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to the medium saucepan at medium-high heat. This is gonna coat the bottom, and then we are going to add the beef to be browned. All right, so we're going to add the beef to the pan and stir it for about 3 to 4 minutes so it's browned on all sides. All right, so I've added all the vegetables together in the bowl with the garlic, and I'm gonna add it to the pot and cook for another 2 minutes. So I've combined the water, vegetable broth, Worcestershire sauce, and a little bit of salt and pepper to this mixture, and I'm reducing the heat to low to let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the vegetables become tender. I'm over here chilling with my buns because the stew has about 3 minutes left. You can do your buns on a pan however you want. I'm just gonna toast them and we'll plop them right down. Okay, so it looks like our beef stew is finished and ready to serve. If you liked this quick, simple, healthy recipe and you want to see more like it, feel free to check out our next episode of Stark Naked Kitchen. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a date with some beef.